Hello, my name is Victor Fuller and I'm the Customer Experience Manager here at EverLogic. I'd like to welcome you to this training session on List Unposted End of Days. In this training session, we'll be going over how to send your end of day from EverLogic to QuickBooks. We'll begin by reviewing your end of day to ensure that it has been processed. Then we'll send the end of day to QuickBooks using the List Unposted End of Days. And we'll finish by looking at the end of days location in your QuickBooks. Click on Office Operations and find the End of Day folder. Click Search End of Days. When the End of Day search comes up, click on Search. If your end of day isn't in the list, but you know you started one, most likely you did not click the Process button. Don't worry, we aren't going to make you do it again. Just uncheck the Is Processed button and click Search. You'll need to mark the end of day processed or it won't show in your List Unposted End of Days. Double-click anywhere in the grid to open your end of day. Click the Process button and EverLogic will mark the end of day processed. Since you're already in the Office Operations tab, exit the End of Day form and go to the QuickBooks folder. Click on List Unposted End of Days. EverLogic will communicate with QuickBooks and open the Send End of Days to QuickBooks form. If you have more than one location, click on the location with the end of day to be sent to QuickBooks. Double-click on the end of day you're sending to QuickBooks, and EverLogic will populate the form with your end of day broken into your QuickBook items and the corresponding rates. EverLogic will send your own accounts, warranties, and QuickBooks invoices to be created from EverLogic transactions with deposits separately. To view these before they are sent to QuickBooks, click on the View on Accounts, Warranties, and Transactions with Deposits. Click Save, and EverLogic will begin sending your end of day to QuickBooks. If you have deposits that need to go to QuickBooks, you'll be prompted to receive them into QuickBooks. Click Receive Payments. If any of the customers with deposits are not in QuickBooks, you'll be asked if you want to add them. Click Yes, and QuickBooks will pull all the information in EverLogic and create them in QuickBooks for you. Now that the end of day has been posted to QuickBooks, you can go to QuickBooks and verify that the end of day has been posted. Click on Customers and scroll down to the end of day for your location. Double-click on the invoice for the end of day you just posted, and you can review the items and amounts that were sent from EverLogic. On behalf of myself and all of us here at EverLogic, I'd like to thank you for attending this training session on List Unposted End of Days. If you have any questions, please click Contact Support at the bottom of your screen in EverLogic.